Hey fellas, a little bit of a random video today. As you can see, I'm in Vegas. Customary wristwatch check, wearing the GP. I'm delivering a couple of watches here to a few friends of mine, and I figured I'd come have a little fun as well. I'm staying at the Wynn. As you can see, not a bad view. Room, not so bad either. Can't really complain too much. A little bottle of Patron from last night. So yeah, in Vegas, delivering a couple of watches. Not something I really do often. However, for a few good friends of mine, they invited me to come out, have a little bit of fun, and of course, bring the watches with me. I'm not actually a big Vegas guy, but I do like it on occasion. Even though I'm gonna be honest, even though the room looks great, the Wynn has been highly disappointing. I guess I'm just a little, what shall I say, spoiled traveling like in Asia where service is great. I can tell you the room is great, but the service has been absolutely shit, just like a Motel 6. But I guess what can you really expect from Vegas? Now, I can't show you the watches just yet. They were in the cage safe, but right now they're in here because I'm about to leave and deliver them. And I don't know, I guess I'll do a video there, their reaction to very special watches, 5 figures each. Definitely something I think they're gonna like, and I'll keep you guys tuned. See you really soon. Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Federico Talks Watches. And as you would have seen from the intro of this video, which was shot separately, I'm in Las Vegas with my friends Stephan and Jack Selby from the Iced Coffee Hour podcast, the Stephan vlog, the Stephan channel.
Stephan main channel.
Stephan main channel.
Millennial Money podcast.
There we go. A little bit of everything. And one of the reasons I'm here is because I had to deliver 2 very special watches. You guys may have seen from the last episode we shot together, Graham was thinking about a Calatrava, and Jack was thinking about a sub. And what happened exactly last week at Del Rey Watch? I got a Calatrava and a sub in my door, and a week later, here I am. Yeah. So guys, congratulations, first of all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I guess I'm going to start with Graham.
Yeah.
Why the Calatrava? Like, what made you pick that watch?
Yeah, originally, I just knew I wanted the Patek Philippe.
Okay.
But every other but every other watch to me was just so unbelievably expensive that I couldn't justify it. But for some reason, well, first of all, I really like dress watches.
Me too.
Small dress watches, I think, just right now, they don't seem in style.
At all.
I've always liked them, and I think eventually they're going to come back in style. But the Calatrava for me was like the entry-level Patek that you could get at a reasonable price. I'm like, how is it like this affordable when you compare it to other Calatravas?
But hold on.
Yeah.
Except you didn't get that one.
No.
You got the most special, rarest modern Calatrava that cost probably close to triple the one you actually wanted, or double.
Yeah, at least
2.5.
At least double. Yeah.
So now you're actually the owner of you know, the Platinum Brigade Dial Calatrava. That's really special.
It's gorgeous looking. So when you sent me that, I originally said that I wouldn't buy it because I would be afraid to wear it.
Yeah, it's no good. But you're gonna wear it though, right?
On special occasions.
I mean, you owe me sushi. You're wearing it.
Yeah, Jack owes sushi.
No.
Graham
owes all of us sushi.
Well, and then Jack here was being, everybody in the comment section of your video, by the way, extremely rude. They were saying I was pressuring Jack into a Submariner.
No.
What happened a few months later? Submariner. So Jack, congratulations, buddy. Your second watch, because ever since we were on the podcast, Jack actually is the owner of a Tudor P01.
Yes, that
is correct. Which is a quirky but kick-ass watch. But now you have your sub. How do you feel?
It feels really good. It's the first watch I've ever bought myself. And I knew that I wanted a Submariner. You both sold me on a Submariner.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
But also, this is a very classic watch, and you can wear it very casually. Which I'm not gonna lie, I'll be very nervous to wear this watch very casually, but I will. And it's a gorgeous watch.
It changes your entire look, I have to say. when you put that watch on versus like not putting the watch on,
He looks like an adult.
it changes everything, man.
Yeah.
Seriously. Like, you look like a different person now with the watch.
Oh, yeah?
And guys,
Thank you.
I forgot to plug the most important part. We actually did a vlog and an unboxing.
Yeah.
It's on one of Graham's channels, the Stefamily vlog,
Yeah.
or the Stefamily?
We just call it the Stephan.
The Stefamily. Go check it out so you can see the reactions of them actually receiving the watch. But yeah, I mean, listen, it's not very often that I get to meet people that I sold a watch to because my business is entirely online. And I just want to thank you for the hospitality of having me here in Vegas. I want to thank Jack ahead of time for the $500 sushi bill. We're going to go consume in a few minutes.
It's actually all you can eat. And it's only $22 a person.
Is it because I'm fat? Is it
No,
I chose
no,
all you
God. Graham likes all you can eat.
I only eat all you can eat.
Well, we're going to go do some damage. Guys, short little video today, but thank you so much. I'll be back from Vegas on Monday. So if I haven't answered your email, I apologize. I'll also be back in a normal video creation schedule. And if you want to see Graham and Jack in Miami, leave a comment in the comment section below. I think we can make that happen.
And I can't, by the way, I gotta say, before we end the video, I can't vouch for you enough. Seriously. So, you have helped us out tremendously. Everyone that comes to me looking for a watch, I'm like, go talk to Federico. Go talk to Federico. And you have helped every single person that I've referred your way. And the fact that you found this Calatrava, thought of me, and it ended up working out the way it did with the Submariner at the same time is just 10 out of 10.
You know what? That means a lot
Yeah,
to me.
thanks.
Thank you so much. Guys, I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe and subscribe to the Stephamily. Go watch that video. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.